This is the brief on JasmyCoin. Ever wondered who really owns all that data pouring out from your smart devices? Well, JasmyCoin, it's this Japanese crypto project actually founded by some former Sony executives. And they're aiming to tackle exactly that problem, wrestling control back from the big tech companies and ideally giving it back to you. Okay, so their big idea. They call it data democracy. Instead of these tech giants just scooping up and profiting from your personal data, think smart home stuff, fitness trackers, even your car, often without you really knowing. Jasmy wants to flip that. They've got this thing called a personal data locker, or PDL. Just imagine it like your own digital vault for your personal info. You get to decide who sees it and what for. And get this, you could even get paid for giving access using their Jasmy tokens. Now, this isn't just some pie-in-the-sky idea. It's actually built on pretty solid ground. You've got those credible ex-Sony folks leading it, which helps. Plus, Jasmy holds this kind of unique spot as the first cryptocurrency legally approved back in Japan. That's a pretty big deal in such a regulated market. Their tech uses a secure knowledge communicator. Think of it as your digital ID for data access, and a smart guardian to securely link up and protect your IoT devices. And, this has helped them land real deals, partnerships with big names like Transcosmos and even Toyota. But, all right, it hasn't all been smooth sailing. The Jasmy token? Oof. It took a massive hit, like a 99% plus price collapse right after launch. Why? Mostly aggressive token unlocks. And that really shook investor confidence. It kind of highlights how crucial transparent token plans are, right? Plus, things like transparency and, frankly, getting regular folks like you and me to actually use it, adoption's still pretty low. They even faced a potential delisting vote from Binance. So, their future. It really hinges on this ambitious roadmap they've got for 2025. They're planning to launch a faster Layer 2 blockchain called JasmyCoin, basically the secondary network to speed things up and cut costs, and really try to build up a developer community around it. Ultimately, JasmyCoin paints this really interesting picture for owning your own data, backed by some serious Japanese corporate power, but yeah, its success really depends on moving past those market hiccups and actually delivering on its tech plans.
This is a great point to quickly pause and remind our listeners of something.
That's right, Alex. If you're enjoying how we break down these complex projects into simple pieces and want more reviews just like this, make sure you subscribe to our channel, CryptoBox. We do all the complex research so you don't have to.